What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your boy D Walsh here, back with another banger. As today's banger, it's fixing to get litty and crazy. As y'all can tell the title of the video right here, this is going to be the biggest truck meet in College Station. So I'm over here, post up at the Post Oaks Mall over here in College Station. As y'all know, we got a few trucks over here, you know, second gens and third gens and, you know, Chevys. And I'm the only Ford here. But yeah, so in today's video, this club called Texas Elite Trucking, I want to say is the club's name. My buddy, that boy Mike, he's got a 05 24 valve common rail, early third gen Cummins. He hosts, him and his homeboy CJ are hosting this meet, and a bunch of big guys are coming out, you know, Trap House 6'7". I want to say B-Rax is coming, but I'm not sure if B-Rax is coming, but I knew a lot of people are going to be showing up from Houston, and then Coach Austin, Waco. I've heard a lot of people are coming out, but it's going to be a really lit video, but see how it goes from here. But anyways, y'all please make sure to hit that like, subscribe button, the channel, turn the bell notifications, and like, comment, do all that good stuff. Share this video, browse to my videos on my channel. If you're new to this video, I really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button. Road to 1K, and I'll be talking about my giveaway at the end of this video. But anyways, let's get right to it on game.
I'm just trying to get some money, but my pocket's feeling pain. I'm still but they never saw the day. I just got my first check and now I'm running to the bank.
Alrighty guys, we're over here at the meat spot right over here. I parked my truck right here. We got my boy right here with his early third gen. We got more people coming from over there. More people coming over there. What we got here? Ooh, a 6'7" long bed. That hole's clean. Not many people. Hey man, look at this C10 right here. That whole clean. Look at this 4th gen right here. Long bed too. Oh, he's even got the story headliner. Hell yeah. Alright, so if y'all want to check out this blue 4th gen's owner, y'all go check out his Instagram right here. It's Chance_Brewster. That boy Trap House is here. Yeah, that boy Chad, man. Not much, man. Yes, sir. Y'all go check out his Instagram for me, man. Got another buddy of mine right here. What's up, man? Yes, sir. I can show you how to get it, man. I came up with a strategy. I can show you how to get it. I see the comments, but we don't bother. That boy Mike. What up, baby? Not much. That damn Max is clean, boy. Look at this first gen right here, man. Oh man, I almost tripped. Cut some cut out colors. Man, I like this paint right here. Trap House with that turbo.
And then as soon as I get the money, I buy my header.
Hey man, whoever was the owner of this single cab 4th gen, man, this thing is clean, dude. Lime green rims in this thing. Single slab. It's got the bed cover and everything. Sheesh. And it's got color matching taillights too. Man, this thing is nasty. Man, look at these headlights. What's up? Hey, I like your cut G. Bro, look at these headlights on these Duramax. Now, oh my gosh. It's got a little turquoise on it. I like that. Alright, so we got my boy Daniel over here with his 4th gen Mega Cab Dually. Also about Coas. Sheesh. And his little, look at this powder coat he did on his truck. I fuck with it. Yeah, so my boy Danny's truck is very, very clean, man. Y'all go check him out on Instagram. I'll leave it on the video as well. Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my daily shout outs for this meet. I'm gonna go ahead and give a shout out to my boy Clayton _ Hufford. I wanna say that's his last name. Yeah, so this is his Duramax right here. This is the one I was talking about, that he's got the, you know, the pods on the headlights and the D-Max on the plates. And he's got the boy antenna. Let's go get him. Hold on, watch out, he's coming. Shit, this fixed money get heated. Oh shit. Where did he go? He went on the highway. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and give out my second daily shout out for this meet right here. Y'all go add his snap, D_money21488. He's got a clean early 3rd gen. This is my boy Dawson. You know, he's got a little fuel system right there. He's sitting on forces. I like some different color rock lights. I like this 3rd gen right here. There's the manual. Sheesh. Man, I'm tired, people. After trying to chase that fucking OBS, man. Whoo! I'm not chasing no one with this camera. Shit is crazy. Bro, everybody was like thinking
Hold up, wait a minute, let me put some pimpin' in it.
Alrighty, y'all, so it's the next day. I'm already back at the house, and I didn't get home late last night. And of course, the cops busted the meet spot that we were at last night, and a bunch of stuff happened, and they just moved it somewhere else. And so I was like, alright, so I'm gonna head home. And of course, I like to shout out to my boy, that boy Mike. You know, with that common rail 24 valve and that Duramax he's got some clean trucks he's got going on. So y'all go check out his Instagram, and also y'all go check out my boy CJ, his homeboy over there in Houston. And of course, I like to give a shout out to my boy Trap House 67, I haven't seen him since LST, but man, we got to collab, man. That's all I got to say, because he's a cool person, I want to say. And then, glad I got to meet everyone over there, and it was pretty lit meet. I'm going to tell you that pretty much. But anyways, y'all please make sure to hit that like, subscribe button, the channel, turn the bell notifications, and like, comment, do all that good stuff. Share this video, browse to my videos on my channel. If you're new to this video, I really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button. Road to 1K, so we're almost to 1,000 subscribers. So on my giveaway, I am doing a $100 Visa gift card. I know I've been saying this a few videos, like maybe like a couple months ago. But yes, I am giving away a $100 Visa gift card for the winner of my giveaway. So how to enter my giveaway? All you got to do is just subscribe to the channel, turn the bell notifications, and like the recent video, and comment DWalks1K to enter the contest of entering the giveaway. And also, y'all please make sure to follow me on the media. And also on the media, I did create a TikTok account. So if y'all want to follow the TikTok account, I will leave it on the description on my video right here, and I'll also drop it on the video as well. But anyways, your boy D-Walsh is out. Peace.
I'm just trying to get some money, but my pocket's feeling pain. I'm still cruising on my scooter like it's 1998.